Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to enable testimonials on your WordPress website quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Click on that to get started. Next, we'll use the Google sign-in option for simplicity. Click Continue with Google and select the account you want to use. This method is fast, secure, and avoids the need to type in passwords manually. Once logged in, you'll be on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Settings menu. Click on it to access the main configuration options for your site. Within Settings, scroll to the section labeled Writing and click to open the Writing Settings page. This is where you can enable several features that improve how content appears on your site. Now, locate the option for testimonials. You'll see a toggle or checkbox. Switch it on. Enabling testimonials allows your visitors to leave structured feedback and share their experiences in an attractive way. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save Changes button to make sure your settings are applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled testimonials on your WordPress site. Now you can showcase visitor feedback, boost engagement, and add credibility to your website, all with just a few clicks. Enjoy the new dynamic features on your site and happy editing.